Have you ever stood in a place so quiet? It felt loud, deep within the emerald canopy of the rainforest. Beneath a ceiling of leaves so thick the sunlight becomes a soft, green mist, there is a profound silence. But if you listen, truly listen, you can hear the hum of life. A system so perfectly balanced, it appears as chaos to the untrained eye. Look closer. Down on the forest floor, a single leaf begins to tremble. It isn't the wind. A pair of tiny, powerful jaws is at work, slicing a perfect crescent from the green flesh. Soon, the piece is free, and a single ant hefts its prize. A flag of green many times its own size. It turns and joins a line, and what a line it is. A living, flowing river of green, stretching from the high branches of a tree, down its trunk and across the forest floor, disappearing into a mound of earth in the distance. This is the world of the leafcutter ant, and this single ant, with its single piece of leaf, is just one note in a magnificent symphony of cooperation. Watch the trail for a moment. You'll notice not all ants are the same. There are the large cutters, the ones harvesting the leaves. Then there are smaller ants, carrying smaller fragments. Some ants aren't carrying anything at all. Instead, they patrol the line, their jaws open and ready, standing guard like soldiers, protecting the precious cargo from predators. And if you look with extreme care, you might even see tiny, minuscule ants riding atop the leaf fragments themselves. They are not getting a free ride. They are bodyguards, protecting the carrier from a specific, tiny parasitic fly that tries to lay its eggs on the ant's head. Every single ant has a role, a specific, vital task, and not one of them is doing it for themselves. The leaf they carry is not their food. They cannot digest it. They are carrying it back to their vast, underground nest, a journey that could be kilometers long. Down in the darkness, another team of ants is waiting. They will take these leaf fragments, chew them into a pulp, and use it to cultivate a very special fungus. That fungus is the colony's true food. It is the singular purpose of this monumental effort. The cutters, the carriers, the soldiers, the bodyguards, the underground gardeners, all of them, millions of individuals, working as a single, intelligent organism. They are farmers, tending to a crop that sustains them all. And in this ancient, silent dance lies a lesson so powerful, we often forget it in our own complex world. We are taught to be the individual hero, the lone achiever. But nature shows us that true strength, enduring strength, is found in the collective. Consider this in your own life. Think of your workplace. A project is not completed by one brilliant mind alone. It is brought to life by the person who writes the code, the one who designs the interface, the one who answers the customer support calls, the one who organizes the meetings, and the one who makes sure the coffee pot is full. Each is a leaf cutter, carrying their own specific piece. The final, successful project is the fungus that feeds the entire team, ensuring its future. When we fail to see the value in each role, when one department devalues another, the line breaks. The fungus garden withers. Or think of a family or a community. One person cooking a meal, another helping a child with their homework, another fixing a leaky faucet, another simply listening after a long day. These are not small, isolated acts. They are the intricate, interdependent tasks that cultivate a home, that build a neighborhood. They are the shared effort that nourishes everyone. So, how do we learn to live like the rainforest? First, identify your true colony, your team, your family, your community. Who are you working with toward a shared goal? Second, understand and perfect your specific role. What is the leaf you are meant to carry right now? Do that task with focus and excellence, not for individual glory, but with the understanding that your piece is essential to the whole. Third, consciously value the other roles. Acknowledge the person whose work you don't always see. The quiet contributor, the planner, the protector. Understand that their leaf makes it possible for you to carry yours. Their success is your success. And finally, always remember the fungus. What is the collective goal you are all feeding? A thriving business, a loving home, a better world. When we focus on the shared nourishment, personal ego fades, and the strength of the colony emerges. The rainforest does not shout its wisdom. It whispers. It shows us that balance isn't about every part being the same, but about every part being essential. It teaches us that millions of small, dedicated efforts, woven together with a common purpose, can create something miraculous and resilient and alive, just like the quiet green river flowing silently through the trees. Thank you for watching. If this idea resonates with you, please subscribe and share it with your colony.